Want to scan documents like a pro using NAPS2? In this guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, from setting up your scanner to saving your files as PDFs. Whether you're scanning homework, receipts, or office documents, you'll be ready in just a few minutes. Before you begin, make sure your scanner is connected to your computer and powered on. Then open NAPS2. If this is your first time using the app, you'll be prompted to create a new scanning profile. Click Choose Device and select your scanner. If your scanner doesn't appear, try switching between the available drivers, such as WIA, Twain, or ESCL, depending on your device. Once your scanner is selected, choose your preferred paper size, color mode, and scan resolution. Now click OK, then press the Scan button. NAPS2 will begin scanning your document using the profile you just created. If you're scanning multiple pages, simply place the next page in the scanner and click Scan again. The pages will automatically be added to the same document. After scanning, you can rearrange pages, rotate them if needed, or remove any unwanted pages before saving. When everything looks good, click Save PDF to create a PDF document, or choose Save Images if you want each page saved as an image file. For even better results, try scanning at around 300 dpi for most documents. You can also enable options like automatic blank page removal or auto-save if you scan documents regularly. These features can save quite a bit of time, and that's how to use NAPS2 from start to finish. Once you've created your scan profile, future scans become even faster since you can reuse the same settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.